Guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Bbnaija Lockdown. See the moment Ozo was caught live on camera kissing Nengi. The ship has set sail in Ozo and Nengi, as they spotted in a lovey-dovey situation where Ozo grabbed Nengi's waist and kissed her on the shoulder. Ozo seems to have been closer to Nengi now than before, as he has been spotted around her the whole day and throughout their card game around the dining table. Right after the game, the housemates moved to the kitchen while others moved to the bedroom to take a rest. In what is believed to be the biggest highlight of the day, Nengi was carried on the back of Tricky Tea before she dropped and made her way out. Before she could reach the door, Ozo grabbed her by the waist and kissed her on the shoulder. This had internet buzzing, with many of their fans in a frenzy mode. Wow, this is really good, man. So Ozo and Nengi have now started something together. It comes as no surprise, as he has always said Nengi is a speck in the house, and this is a welcome development for the both of them. Okay guys, and what's your thoughts on Ozo and Nengi's relationship? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.